To add Calendly to Squarespace, start by logging into your Squarespace account and navigating to the website where you want to add the feature. Click the Edit button to begin making changes to your site. Then, click Add Section and choose Add a Blank Section to create a clean area for the Calendly integration. Within this new section, click Add Block and select the code block from the list of options. Adjust the placement of the code block as needed. Next, open a new tab and log into your Calendly account. Click the Share button. Then select Add to Website and choose the desired embed type, such as inline embed. Copy the provided code. Then return to your Squarespace site and click the pencil icon to edit the code block. Paste the Calendly code into the block and click Save or Apply to save your changes. Once saved, your Calendly calendar should be embedded on your Squarespace website, allowing visitors to schedule appointments directly from your site.